What's up guys, been waiting for this part for a long time. It's the Nightrunner / Workspell Rapfix GTC Quick Tilt, and this one comes in black. You can see here. Alright, so here's what comes in the box. So you got the ground ring, you've got everything you need for the horn to connect. So let's go ahead and remove the current setup, which is the Seeker steering wheel with the standard Workspell hub. We have to put in the short hub for the quick tilt. Disconnect the horn and the OE control harness. Okay, so take a look at the horn here and the back of the steering wheel. So the harness for the OEM steering controls goes through these little gaps here, and then it just plugs right in. They're held on with these carbon fiber brackets and screws. The way the horn works is, so the horn's plugged in, and all you're doing when you push the horn in is touching the ground plate, and that makes the horn go off. We removed this. Let's go ahead and remove the ground from here. Alright guys, so I'm looking at the new hub, the short hub, and this part right here that goes into the steering column is exactly the same. So there's really no point in removing this from the car if it's the same exact thing going back on. So let's just leave that on and transfer this over, which is way shorter than the standard hub. Okay, so the problem I think we'll run into for this is the steering wheel controls. The wiring, it's all taped together, so it might be too short. I need it to be long enough where it'll tilt and have some slack. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and unravel all these parts. Okay, finally got it all undone. All right, let's see. This goes into the car, ground for the horn, right harness, left harness. Oh, I see why they had to do this. All right, so I'm thinking worst case scenario, I need to extend this, the two wires that are connecting both controls, so that they can go their separate ways and have enough room, have enough slack to tilt up. So the only way I can run it is either cut here where this hole is, and so these wires can come out this way. Then I only have to cut basically a tiny little notch here, just so it's not squeezing down on the wires like that. I mean, I guess it's fine. This is just like a rubber piece, but there is tension right there. Connect the quick tilt to the hub, and then run the harness controls as usual, and it has enough slack to tilt up and down. I went ahead and trimmed this. Go ahead and connect the ground terminal to the hub. This comes out of the car's harness and it's for the horn. We'll connect it to the red cable on the quick tilt. Then we'll connect the ground to the plate, earth plate between. I almost forgot this again. Slide this on. Go ahead and tape the wires up. There's enough slack for it to tilt. Beautiful.